Primetime news this evening. Confirmed COVID-19 cases in Jamaica climbs to 26. Parliamentarians call for harsher penalties for those who breach quarantine rules. And vendors dependent on school time sales facing tough times.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, construction sector calls for a special stimulus package as it reels from COVID-19 impact. Vashon Brown will have the details in the business day.
And later, another sports postponement. Jamaica International Invitational date pushed back because of COVID-19. Jeremy Brown will have the details in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's been your experience using public transportation since the new COVID-19 restrictions took effect?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after the break.